This common food might be destroying your health. You eat it almost every day, it looks harmless. It might even taste amazing. But science says this one common food could be silently harming your brain, your heart, and your gut. So what is it? And why is no one talking about it? Stick around, you need to know what this food is and how to avoid its hidden dangers. It's not sugar, it's not salt, it's something far sneakier, refined vegetable oils. We're talking about oils like canola, soybean, corn, sunflower, and safflower oil, and here's why they're a big problem. Part 1. What are vegetable oils? Vegetable oils are extracted from seeds using high heat and chemicals. They're then deodorized and bleached to remove the smell and color. This process creates unstable fats, especially omega-6 polyunsaturated fatty acids, that can oxidize easily. When oxidized, these fats create inflammation, the root of many chronic diseases. Part 2. Health risks. Here's what studies have linked these oils to. Heart disease. Despite what you've heard, vegetable oils are not heart healthy. Oxidized fats damage blood vessels and increase bad cholesterol (LDL), obesity, and insulin resistance. These oils disrupt how your cells use energy, making it easier to gain weight and harder to lose it. Brain health. Some oils may even affect your brain by promoting inflammation linked to depression and memory loss. Gut problems. These oils can negatively affect the gut lining, increasing your risk of leaky gut and digestive issues. Part 3. Why they're everywhere? So, if they're this bad, why are they in almost every packaged food? Answer: they're cheap. Vegetable oils are highly profitable for food manufacturers. They extend shelf life, enhance texture, and lower costs. But the real cost: your health. Part 4. What to look for if you see canola oil, soybean oil, corn oil, vegetable oil. Even so-called healthy snacks and protein bars often sneak them in. Part 5. What to use instead. Here's the good news. You can replace harmful oils with healthier alternatives. Coconut oil, great for cooking. Extra virgin olive oil, rich in antioxidants. Avocado oil, high smoke point and healthy fats. Grass-fed butter or ghee, natural and nutrient-dense. These fats are more stable, less processed, and often better for your body. It's not about cutting out all fat, it's about choosing the right fats. Vegetable oils may be common, but that doesn't mean they're safe. Be mindful of what goes on your plate, and your body will thank you. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Hit subscribe for more eye-opening health tips every day.